Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? ಆಯ್ತಾ ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆನಪ್ಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, 5ನೇ ದಿನದ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 4ನೇ ದಿನ ಅದೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಎ ಪಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಲೆಸನ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್, 1 minute ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು 2 ಹುಬ್ಬುಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. 2 ಹುಬ್ಬುಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪಿಸಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಿರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆರ್ ಯು ರೆಡಿ? ಓಕೆ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾವುದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಪಿ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌದಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿ, 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the difference? 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 16 minus 8, how much? 8. The difference is not constant. The common difference is not constant. Hence, it is not an AP. ಇದು AP ಅಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 difference, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 difference. Common difference is not constant. Hence, it is not an AP. ಅದು AP ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ a2 minus a1 minus 3.2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. minus 3.2 plus 1.2 ಅಂದರೆ 0.2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 minus 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2. Here 3.2 minus 1.2, common difference is constant. Minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Now difference is 2. Again common difference is constant. Therefore it is an AP. ಇದು AP ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. -5 ಗೆ -2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -7.2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -9.2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು here -4 minus 0, the difference is -4. -8 plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. a3 minus 8 ಆದರೆ -8 plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗಲೂ -4 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. -12 plus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ AP. -12 ಗೆ -4 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -16 -20 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we should discuss. Fourth one, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, etc. So let's just try to do this one. So now what? A2 B equals A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel ಆದರೆ ಇದು root 2. Difference is root 2. These two get cancels. 0 it is. Next B equals A3 minus A2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus half 3 plus 2 root 2. You see, a3 minus a2, a3 this is a2, this is 3 plus root 2. Now 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 2 plus minus root 2. Is it right? So now plus 3 minus 3 get cancels. Plus 2 minus 1, this is 1. Plus 2 minus 1, this is again root 2, 1 root 2. This is 1 root 2. This is constant. Hence it is AP. It is AP. It is AP. Find out the next two term. What is that? A4 is A3 plus B. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2. It is 3 plus 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2. How much? 3 root 2. A4 is 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. A5 is again A4 plus B. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. This is 3. Notice this is a rational number. There is no rational number to be added. So therefore take as it is plus 3 plus 1. These two are irrational. Coefficients add. They are the like terms. Hence add the coefficients. 1 plus 3. It is 4 root 2. Now these are the what you call it as next two terms. In that way we solve that problem. Nodi you want to say check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next ಬಂದ್ರೆ this is 1 square. Actually 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25. Explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, 5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25, 7 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 49, 73, 49, 25, 1, 25 minus 1, 24, 49 minus 25, 25, 24, 73 minus 49, 24. Common difference is constant, hence it is AB. ಇದು AB, ಇದು AB. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ನೋಡಿ 1, 3, 9, 27. 9 minus 1, sorry 3 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 3, 6. Difference is not constant, hence it is not an AB. So now among the group problem 1, 2, 3, 4 are AP and remaining 2 are not AP. This is how we decide either it is an AP or not. Now we shall pass on to the next concept of AP. Okay, Mara? Yes. Now let us pass on to the next concept. What is the next problem? Next type of problem. What is that? Third one. Third type. Write first 4 terms of the AB. Find the first 4 terms of the AB. 1 first term A and common difference D are given. First term and common difference are given. Now you require to write first 4 terms. ಮೊದಲ 4 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಎ ಏನಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಮೊದಲ ಪದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಮೊದಲ ಪದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಮೊದಲ ಪದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 4 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. 4 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ a equals 10, d equals 2. Second one, a equals -3, d equals 6. Third one, a equals 4, d equals -3. Fourth one, a equals -3, d equals -2. And fifth one, a equals 3 and d equals 0. So like this. Very simple problems I have taken. Now what? We have to solve first 4 terms. four terms. Find the first four terms. Find the first four terms of the AP. Now let us take first problem. N equals 10, D equals 2. Answer how to start. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A1, A2, A3, A4 is what? First four terms you require to write. First four terms. So now A1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ first term ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A1 is A equals 10. You know what is A2? A2 is A1 plus D. A1 is 10 plus D is 2. It is 12. Now previous problem next time ಕಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. A3 equals A2 plus D. A2 is 12 plus 2. It is 14. A4 is A3 plus D. 14 plus 2. It is 16. Now 10, 12, 14, 16. Is it right? The four terms are what are those? 10, 12, 14, 16. The first four terms you can take. The first four terms are 10, 12, 14, 16 like that. This is the answer. Is it next? Second problem. What is the second problem? A equals minus 3, D equals 6. A equals minus 3, D equals 6. Again, you require to find out A1 is A2, A3, A4 is what? Is it right? Now, right, A1 equals A equals minus 3. Is it? Next, A2, you know, A plus D, A1 plus D. A1 is minus 3 plus D is 6. 6 minus 3, which will be equal to 3. Is it? Next, A3, A2 plus D. A2 is 3 plus of 6. How much? 3 plus 6? 9. Next, A4 is A3 plus B. A3 is 9 plus 6. How much? 15. The first four terms are four terms are minus 3, 3, 9, 15. This is the answer. Is it right? That is the second problem. Next, what is the third problem is? So what is the third problem? Third problem is A equals 4, D equals minus 3. What is A1, A2, A3, A4 is what? Is it? So now what? First term, A1 equals A equals 4. A1 equals A equals 4. Next, A2 is A1 plus D. A1 is 4 plus half minus 3. D minus 3 ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Is it? So now this is 4 plus into minus minus 3. 4 minus 3 is how much? It is 1. Next, A3 equals A2 plus D. A2 is what? 1 plus half. D is minus 3 again. So what? D 1 plus into minus, minus 3, this will be minus 2. Next A4, what is A4? A3 plus D, what is A3? This is minus 2 plus of minus 3, how much? Minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5. Plus into minus, minus, minus 3 minus 2, they are having same sign, add up. Here opposite sign, subtract, it will be minus 2, this is minus 5. So this is, what are the 4 terms? First 4 terms, what are those? 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. These are the what? 4 terms of the first 4 terms of the AP. Next. Now take fourth one. Fourth one is A equals minus 3, B is minus 2. Both are negative. Find out A1, A2, A3, A4. Is it? Yes. Now find out the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First term they have given A1 equals A equals minus 3. Next, A2 is A plus B. A is A1 plus B. A1 is minus 3 plus B is minus 2. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Observe here. Minus 2B. A is minus 3. Minus 3 plus into minus, minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. This will be the second term. Next A3, A2 plus B, A2 is minus 5 plus R, B is minus 2, now is it minus 5 plus into minus, minus 2, how much? I don't know. You may have minus 5 minus 2 ಏನು? ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7. Next, A4, A3 plus B. A3 is minus 7 plus of minus 2, minus 7 plus into minus, minus 2, minus 7 minus 2, minus 9. What are the first 4 terms? First 4 terms are, first 4 terms are, what is that? Minus 3, next minus 5, next minus 7, next minus 9. ಹೌದಾ? ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಎಸ್, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. They are the first 4 terms. Now take last problem. What is the last problem? We shall discuss. Fifth problem. What is the fifth problem? Fifth problem is A equals 3, D equals 0. Very simple. What is A1, A2, A3, A4 is what? Now you see A1 equals A plus B. Sorry, A1 is A itself, it is 3. Next A2 is A1 plus D, 3 plus 0, which will be 3. A3 is A2 plus D. This is 3 plus 0, again 3. Is it right? Next, A4 is A3 plus D. It is how much? 3 plus 0, it is 3. Then what are the first 4 terms? It is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 etc. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು d may be positive or d may be negative or d may be 0. When d is 0 all the terms remains same, that do not changes. This is what is called as how to find the first four terms of the AP when the first term and common differences are given. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Do the homework. The same heading with homework. Homework. What is the homework? First one. Let us take a equals 1, b equals 1. Second one, a equals 2, b equals 5. Third one, a equals 2, b equals minus 2. Fourth one, a equals minus 2, b equals minus 3. And fifth one, a equals minus 1, d equals off. Try this one as a homework and let us solve it. Over? Shall I rub? Okay, this is another style. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನಡೆಸಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So now let us pass on to the next concept of AP. What is the next concept? Let us say general form of AP. Now recall your memory regarding with general form of AP. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ರೂಪ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನದು a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, etc. This is called as general form of AP. Now let us observe students. What is the first term, what is the second term and what is the third term like that. What is the first term? A. Is it right? A is the first term, D is the common difference. Then the general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. I will write it now. A1 is A plus. Barivodana. Okay. You may take A. A2 is A plus D. A3 is A plus 2D. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ D ಇದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ D ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ D ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ 0 into D. ಬರುವುದಾ? A plus 0 is first term. Second term is A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. Fourth term ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Fourth term is A plus 3D. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Write 0 by using 1. Write 0 by using 1. I write A plus 1 minus 1 into D. ಬರುವುದಾ? Is it possible to write A plus 0 into D? A plus 1 minus 1 into D. This will be added. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು? A plus ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಈ 2 ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ 1 ಬರೆಯೋದು. 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ರಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When you subtract 1 from 2, you will get 1. Therefore, 1 will be written as 1 will be written as what? 2 minus 1 into D. Next. You see, A plus A 2d ಇದೆ ಇದನ್ನ 2 ನ 3 ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೆಯೋಣ a plus 3 minus 1 into d ಈ 2 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 3 minus 1 into d so now this is can you say now this is 3 minus 1 into now this is a plus you ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ a plus 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 4 minus 1 into d ಈ ತರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಹೌದಾ a5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ a5 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ a plus 5 minus 1 into d ಯಾರು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ a6 ಆದ್ರೆ a plus 6 minus 1 into d ಹೌದಾ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದೇ ತರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 4 ಇದ್ರೆ 4 minus 1 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 minus 1 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 minus 1 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 minus 1 if it is n an equals ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದ್ರೆ 4 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ it is a plus 4 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದೆ n minus 1 into d this is a plus n minus 1 into d an equals a plus n minus 1 into d students this is called as nth term of an AP what do you call it as nth term of an AP now take that one heading is nth term of AP you take nth term of AP very important concept nth term of AP nth term of AP if a is the first term b is the common difference and n is the number of terms then nth term of AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into d let us write it if a is the first term d is the common difference n is the number of terms then you see an equals a plus n minus 1 into d is called nth term of AP ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ a equals n plus n minus 1 into d is called as nth term of AP example ನಿಮಗೆ example ಬರೆದ್ರೆ a4 equals a plus 4 minus 1 into d this is a plus 3d ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು a4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4th term of a plus 3d and then a5 equals a plus 5 minus 1 into d a plus 4d you see n minus n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ students friends the nth term of AP a plus n minus 1 into d here n is number of terms is always positive it is a counting number therefore n is always positive. A and B may be positive or negative. So now if n is 4, we call it as A plus 4 minus 1 into B. If it is n is 5, it is taken as A plus 5 minus 1 into B. If n is m, it is called as A plus m minus 1 into D. That is the last term. We call it as the last term or nth term. The last term, it is called as nth term. Nth term, last term ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದನ್ನ if m is the number of terms, that is mth term, then n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the last term is denoted by the letter L. Sometimes the last term is denoted by the letter L like this. Okay, where n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Students, we will conduct some problems on this formula in the next class. I am concluding the lesson here. Okay, thank you very much. Today we learned about how to write the first 4 terms. First 4 terms are the next term in the arithmetic progression, and also we have learned about the nth term of the arithmetic progression. And we shall meet you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a nice